everyone, today we're going to be making some big blue sour blast. So our first step is to dissolve 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar over low heat. So I'm just going to go put this on the stove and I'm going to put it on low heat until it starts to boil and all the sugar is dissolved. Alright, so while waiting for your simple syrup to be ready, you're going to want to cut up your lemons, so approximately 5 to 6, and that's about 1 cup of lemon juice. Alright, so now you're ready to juice your lemons. Alright, so when your simple syrup is bubbling, and so that means that it's boiling and all the sugar is dissolved, then you can let it sit out in the open and let it cool down a little bit. And then also, if you want to, you can strain your lemon juice if you don't like it pulpy at all. So, I'm just going to quickly strain mine. That's nice and strained. You can shut it off. Alright, so once your simple syrup has chilled, then you'll be ready to actually blend it and make your slushy. So you're going to want your 2 cups of water in your blender already, and then you can take your simple syrup and dump that in. And then you can take your lemon juice and pour that in. Then last but not least, take your 3 cups of ice and pour that in. And you're going to want to blend this up now. Alright, once that's all blended up and you have the preferred amount of ice and to the texture that you want it, take a little bit of blue food coloring and you're going to just smudge that around, or just drop a drop or 2 in if you have a dropper. Alright. I can put the top back on and finish blending. Alright, now it's ready to serve. So how I came up with my idea was I was thinking of cold drinks that are must-haves in the summer, and I thought, well, lemonade is one, and so are slushies. So I combined those two to make a frozen lemonade. I used certain ingredients because I looked at a recipe for frozen lemonade and from findingzest.com just to get a base, but then I add my own special ingredients to the list. When I was in the testing stage, I decided to add more ice because it wasn't at the thickness I wanted it to be. And my drink is a mechanical mixture. I know this because when you look at it, you can see the chunks of ice in it. Just little chunks, but you can still see them. The solutes, the stuff that's being blended or dissolved in my drink, are lemon juice, sugar, and food coloring. And the solvent, the thing that's doing the dissolving or blending, is the water. The materials that you'll need to make this drink are a good blender, 5 to 6 lemons to make 1 cup of lemon juice, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of ice, a fine sieve, fancy cups, fun dip sugar for the rim, a little bowl that the tips of the glasses fit in, and a juicer. So, procedure. Step 1, gather all materials. Step 2, bring 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to a boil to make a simple syrup. Step 3, boil until the sugar is dissolved. Step 4, let chill. Step 5, cut up 5 to 6 lemons in half. Step 6, juice the lemons, then strain the lemon juice. Step 7, after the simple syrup is chilled, then mix the simple syrup, the remaining 2 cups of water, the lemon juice, and the 3 cups of ice in your blender. Step 8, blend until you have reached the thickness you like, and then add the food coloring and blend once more. Step 9, after the color is all mixed in, you are ready to serve. Step 10, get your glasses and wet the rims. Step 11, fill your little bowl and spread the fun dip to the outside. Step 12, put your glasses and turn in 2 whole circles. Step 13, pour and enjoy.